Hey, what is up guys, BlueThunder here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to shield surf really easy, simple, and straight to the point. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe because it's going to help a lot. Alright, so what you have to do is you have to hold your shield button like you do to just pull up your shield. Then you have to jump and you have to hit A. And it's going to make you slide. I'm going to show you an example of it. Okay, so right here I am on top of the hill above the ancient tech lab. And it really doesn't matter where you do it. One thing I would suggest though is you should get a good shield, or at least a shield you don't care to lose, because it is going to break your shield. So a better shield you have, the longer you can do it, or if you just want to use a cheap shield where you don't actually, miss it if you lose it, that'd also be a good idea. And yeah, it's really simple, really easy, and hope you guys enjoy it.